Okay, open your present. Open a present.
I think it's how to open.
Pull.
You might get an Elsa doll sometimes, Kay.
Pretty.
Ooh, are those flip-flops? Wow, frozen flip-flops. Hope they keep your feet warm.
That open this one.
Okay, do the next one.
Yeah.
I'm gonna open these more torches.
Just take a couple pictures once in a while. I'll send Sandy and Linda a couple.
You could get if you want. I can't open this ball.
Would you like a little help?
You can help with the box.
Keegan will help you. Keegan will help you.
Here's some raffles.
Keegan will help you.
You, Grandma.
Thank you. You're so good.
There's more.
Okay, what's in there? What could be in there? What is it?
What is
Look in
it?
there.
Thank you.
What is it? Oh, Olaf.
Olaf.
What name is it? It says Olaf.
Olaf.
Olaf. We don't open this.
What is
His name
it?
is
Casey?
Olaf.